Hi my beautiful jewels, welcome to my channel, Jade ThaJewel. I'm Jade, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your closure look natural. So right now all I'm doing is parting my hair the way I want it to be. And then I'm simply going to be taking some of my favorite concealer, which is by Maybelline. It's the Age Rewind Concealer. Next, I'll be using my Wet n Wild flat brush. I don't know the specific name of the brush because I've had it for so long. Now I'm going to be taking some of that concealer and basically applying product to the back of my hand. You know how you just twist up the back of your hand because, you know, it's right there. So, you know, yeah. So, yeah. Then you're going to take your brush and you're going to start putting that where your parting is. This is a very important step because sometimes when you bleach your knots, it can leave a brassiness behind, which is very unnatural. So to fix that, all you need is a little bit of concealer, and girl, you looking good. And I'm just gonna take my comb to kind of press that concealer in instead of using my fingers and getting it all over the hair. Next, I'm going to start spraying some water, and I'm going to use a spoolie. This is a nice little trick I learned a minute ago when I first started, using closures. What the spoolie is doing is just making the closure super flat instead of using like a hot comb or something, because sometimes that can look weird when you have like a curly or deep wave hair. So yeah, you just want to wet the hair and use the spoolie to make sure your part is super neat, super straight, and no flyaways at all. Alright, so next I'm just doing the same thing on the other side. Make sure you wet it, and then you want to take a spoolie. Doesn't matter what spoolie it's from. This spoolie is so old, y'all. I got this years ago. It's from Elf. Elf is one of my favorite brands. But anyways, now I'm going to be taking the baby hairs out of the closure. This closure came with pre-baby hairs, which means I don't have to find any baby hairs or cut anything or anything like that. I did end up cutting these baby hairs because they were a little too long for my liking, but if you like your baby hairs long and you like all that, then you do you, girl, and you rock it. Alright, so all I'm going to do is just gather these baby hairs together and put a little clip on them just to keep them out of my way. Next, I'm going to be using my favorite mousse. All the mousse is going to do is just make sure that the closure is very neat and that there's no flyaways and no frizz. So yeah, all you're gonna do is just wet the hair and then put your mousse on it. Now depending on what kind of hair you have, I have the deep wave hair. You can do this for straight hair too, but you kind of want to be careful about how much product you put in it because you don't want your closure to be looking stiff. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, put the mousse and the water on there, and then take your spoolie. Once again, like I said, the spoolie is great for making sure everything is super neat. Next, I'm gonna put the oil on, slap some oil on there from Garnier Frutis, and that's the end of this video, you guys. Love you guys. Peace.